Keeping up with social media is a full-time job. Between posting content, engaging with followers, analyzing performance, and managing multiple accounts, it's easy to feel super overwhelmed. And if you're running a business, growing a brand, or handling social media for clients, you need a tool that helps you stay organized, saves time, and improves your results. That's where Sprout Social comes in. It's one of the most popular social media management platforms, promising to simplify scheduling, track performance, and boost engagement all from a single platform. But does it actually live up to the hype? So in today's video, we're going to break down what Sprout Social is, how it works, key features, and a little walkthrough of the site, as well as the pricing and pros and cons. So by the end of this video, you're going to know if it's the right tool for your social media needs. So first off, what is Sprout Social? Sprout Social is a social media management platform designed to help businesses, brands, and agencies manage multiple social media accounts from one dashboard. Instead of logging into Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms separately, Sprout Social brings everything together so you can schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance all in one place. Unlike some basic scheduling tools, Sprout Social offers advanced analytics, team collaboration features, and customer relationship management tools, which makes it a complete solution for businesses that take social media very seriously. Now, let's take a closer look at what sets Sprout Social apart and how it can help you manage your social media more effectively. So first off, it has a centralized social media dashboard. So essentially it connects all of your social media accounts in one place, allowing you to schedule, publish, and manage content across multiple platforms from a single dashboard. This is going to save you time and makes it so much easier to maintain a consistent posting schedule without switching between apps. Next is the smart scheduling and automation. With Sprout Social, you can schedule posts in advance and even let the platform determine the best times to post based when your audience is most active. This feature really helps increase engagement and ensures your content reaches the right people at the right time. Next is the advanced social media analytics. One of the biggest advantages of Sprout Social is its in-depth analytics. The platform provides detailed reports on post performance, audience growth, and engagement trends, and even more. Businesses can use these insights to refine their strategy and improve results over time. Next is social listening and brand monitoring. Sprout Social's social listening tool allows you to monitor what people are saying about your brand, competitors, and industry. You can track keywords, hashtags, and brand mentions to stay on top of trends and customer conversations. This feature is especially useful for reputation management and identifying engagement opportunities. Next is their engagement and inbox management. The platform includes a unified inbox where you can manage messages, comments, and mentions across all social media channels in one place. This just makes it easier to respond quickly to customers, engage with followers, and keep track of important conversations without missing anything. Next is their collaboration tools for teams. For businesses and agencies, Sprout Social offers team collaboration features that allow multiple users to work together on social media management. You can assign tasks, approve posts before they go live, and track team activity to ensure everything runs smoothly. Their CRM and customer support integration is another key feature. They also include a CRM tool, which makes it easy to track customer interactions, log conversations, and improve customer support directly through social media. Businesses that rely on social platforms for customer service will find this feature especially useful. Now that we've covered the key features, let's go over the different plan options. To ensure you get the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. Once you are there, we can go ahead and click pricing. As you can see, they have monthly and annual, and you do save about 20 to 25% if you pay annually. They have a few plans here as well. So the standard plan starts at $199 per seat per month, and this is if you pay annually. With that, you get 5 social profiles, keyword and location monitoring, unlimited AI generated text, review management, and group profile and post level reporting. And then the professional, which is the most popular, is $299 per month if you pay annually. And again, you save 25% if you pay annually versus monthly. You get everything in the standard plan plus unlimited social profiles, extensive competitor keyword and paid insights, optimal send times and suggestions by AI assist, and messaging tagging. Next is the advanced, and this is $399 per seat per month billed annually. And again, you can save 20% if you pay annually versus monthly. With this, you get everything in the professional plus the enhanced by AI assist, sentiment in the smart inbox and reviews, help desk integrations, and team productivity and social care reports, as well as message spike alerts. Lastly is the enterprise, and you do have to schedule a demo to get access for this, so there is no price on here, but you get everything in the advanced plus white glove onboarding and implementation, automation, a plan tailored to your enterprise business, and dedicated service for hassle-free SSO setup, as well as priority customer support. So let's go ahead and try for free. So go ahead and create an account and a password, and you will have to have your email open to verify the code. Okay, so now here is where we can connect our profiles. Okay, and it's going to request access, so we'll go ahead and click save. Perfect, good to go. Okay, now that we have covered the key features and the different pricings and how to sign up, let's go over some of the pros and cons of Sprout Social. So starting off with the pros, Sprout Social is one of the most comprehensive social media management platforms available. It offers a full suite of tools for scheduling, analytics, engagement, and social listening. The unified dashboard makes it super easy to manage multiple accounts without jumping between platforms, which is a huge time saver. The advanced analytics and reporting tools provide deep insights into social media performance, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and optimize their content strategy. The social listening features allows brands to monitor conversations, track trends, and engage with their audience more effectively. For businesses and agencies, the collaboration tools make it super easy for teams to work together and manage social media efficiently. The unified inbox is also a major benefit, ensuring that important messages and mentions don't get lost. Now, some of the cons. One of the biggest downsides of Sprout Social is its pricing. While it offers powerful features, the cost is definitely higher than many other social media management tools. Small businesses or solo creators might find it too expensive compared to alternatives like Buffer or Hootsuite. Another drawback is that some automation features are limited compared to competitors. While Sprout Social allows post scheduling and engagement tracking, it doesn't offer the same level of automation as some other platforms. Lastly, there is a learning curve when first using the platform. Because Sprout Social has so many features, it can take some time to get fully comfortable with the interface and settings. However, once you get used to it, the workflow becomes much smoother. So is Sprout Social worth it? It definitely is a solid choice for anyone who wants a streamlined way to manage social media. It brings everything, scheduling, analytics, engagement tracking, and social listening into one place, which makes it especially useful for businesses, brands, and agencies handling multiple accounts. That being said, the price is definitely not the best for smaller businesses or solo creators. If you're just starting out, it's worth comparing it with other tools to see what best fits your needs and budget. But if you are looking for an all-in-one platform and want to get started on the right foot, Sprout Social is definitely one to consider. That wraps up this review. I'd love to hear if you've used it before and what your comments are and if you thought it was worth it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.